Welcome, and today's topic is drawing landscape for beginners. In beginning, must have drawing materials 4H, HB, 4B, pencils, color, eraser, scale, ruler, divider, means everything in your geometry box. Draw the basic shapes in first step. Basic shape with a 4H pencil. Lightly sketch a rectangle for basic shapes of the houses. Then add a line for roofs, edge, and another lines for the front corner of house. This may be a good line to get out your straight edge to help you draw accurate lines, trees and trunk. And in second step, add the window, door and roof lines to the spring house along with angle to the roof. You may want to use angle ruler to check your angles. In third step, add detail of the building and trees. With the pencil, add more lines to define the spring house, include additional overhang to the right side. Erase any unnecessary guidelines with a kneaded eraser. Sketch more of the tree structure, trapping the small branches that grow away from the trunk. In fifth step, we can start shading or coloring and grass drawing. And now is the main step. Add the darkest dark and finish detail. Make any adjustment to the shading and keep detail with colors.